So these are the cordless roller shades I'd like to show you. First, we have the 3% fabric that you could actually see through, and then we have the 1% fabric, which actually gives you privacy. Generally, when we're having these done in apartment units or even in houses, this is the material that you would use, the 1% in the bedrooms, and then a lot of people like to see through a little bit in the common areas like the living room, kitchen, dining room, etc. They'll use the 3%. Okay. First thing, if you look, there's two different headers. This one here shows there's no valance basically, so there's no cassette or fascia on this cordless roller shade. But it does have a top rail. You see the way it's mounted. There's this top rail here. It comes completely together. The only brackets that you have to put on are clips, which are above this. So then, on the inside mount window, you would put it above, and then on a wall mount, you would mount those brackets on the wall. It's fairly simple, and then the way these operate fairly easily, you just pull them, and you notice it slows down as it goes to the top. It has a mechanism in there that actually doesn't allow it to flip. If you go back 20, 30, 40 years ago, roller shades, when you would pull it up, they would flip and flip and flip, and everybody remembers that. And it was something that's kind of funny. You see it on TV and cartoons and whatnot. It's kind of funny because it was really poorly made. This particular product obviously has better technology. We're more modern today. So pull this one down, and then if I come to the 1% shade, this particular one has a cassette, and it comes completely assembled as well, and has a clip on top, and you just clip it in, same way. So very simple. You can see the difference here. If you pull it up, you see, it's real simple. Very clean, very modern look. So it's great for newer properties, even older properties. So check it out on the website, and that's at bestcustomscreens.com, and we'll get to the next product.
I think I'm gonna cry.